Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a WordPress website using BlueHost WordPress hosting. If you want to follow along with me in this tutorial, there's a link in the description where you can click and follow with me step by step. So without further ado, let's go right in. First thing you do, you go to bluehost.com and on the home page you click on WordPress hosting. On the WordPress hosting of BlueHost website, you scroll down to the plans, and here we're presented with 3 plans to choose from. You have Basic, you have Plus, and you have Choice Plus. You choose a plan depending on your needs and what you expect to do in your website. If you want to host unlimited websites, you go with Plus or Choice Plus. If you want to host just one website, you can go with Basic for about $3 a month. We're going to go with Basic this time, and I'm going to click Select. The next thing you do is setting up your domain name. If you already have a domain name, you can type it in here and use it with BlueHost hosting. If you want to create a brand new domain name, just choose a domain name here and click on Next to see if it's available. For example, going to type here smartphones best, and the domain name ending we're going to go with .com. You can choose another domain name if you want to. We're going to go with the domain name ending .com, and we're going to click Next. As you can see here, if the domain name is already registered, you cannot take it, so you have to choose another domain name. So we're going to edit our domain name. Instead of best, we're going to type, for example, well smartphones. And click on Next and see if it's taken. Great, the domain name that we've chosen is available. So all we have to do now is fill in this form with our information and click on Submit here. So in this area, you type in your account information, your first name, your basic information, and here you choose the package information. For the account plan, you can go with 36-month price, or you can go with the 12-month price for about $5 a month. We're going to go that, and I'll click on the first choice here. Now the hosting price is about $60, which is about $5 for the first 12 months. The domain name we've chosen is free, and the SSL is also free, which is great. For the package extras, you can choose to add in these packages to your account, or you can opt in not to use them. We're going to turn these off. We don't need them for now. And then we're going to go down to the payment information and finally submit. Do not forget to check this and click on submit. Great. After submitting your form, you're going to get this welcome page that says just welcome to BlueHost. And then the next step is to confirm your email address. So go right ahead to your email address. Now in your inbox, you're going to find a message like this. So just click on verify your email to verify your email, and you will be redirected back again to BlueHost website. Now go back to the welcome page you were sent to and click on create your password. Here just type in a password of your choice, check this box and click on next. Next you're redirected to a page that has a list of themes to choose from. We're not going to choose a theme right now. We're going to just go ahead and go to the bottom of the page and click on skip this step. We're going to add a theme later. And finally, you're redirected to the BlueHost dashboard. The only thing we're going to do here is just click on login to WordPress, and then we're going to do all the work right from the WordPress dashboard. Just as a quick reminder, there's a link in the description. If you want to follow with me on step by step on WordPress, you can click that link and follow with me as I go with this tutorial. Now to go into your admin dashboard, you can go to your link and type in the domain name /WP, which stands for WordPress-admin/ and click enter. And here you're presented with the form to log into your admin account. So here just type in your username or email address you used and the password. I'm going to do that, and I'm going to click on login. Now I'm right into my admin dashboard for my website. This is where you're going to do all your work. We're going to add in posts, customize your website, and everything. Okay, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to check our website, and to do that, just click on here, visit site. In here you're going to get redirected directly to your website. This is the content of our website. When we first start, you just have a sample post here and some links here that you can always edit and remove later if you want to. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to customize this theme by clicking here. And this is the customization page. If you want to edit anything in regards to the theme, you go to this customization page, and these are the list of options you can edit in this theme. You can explore them on your own. They're self-explanatory, so it's not very hard to do. We're going to explain some of them. And for the rest, you can just try it on your own. So the first setting we're going to change is our homepage setting. So here you can choose what's displayed on the homepage, either your latest posts like this is my latest post, or a static page as shown here. This is the home page. So we're going to go with latest post for now, and we're going to add a new post and see it added here, and then we're going to change it to a static page and modify that page. Okay, so here I'm going to click publish. And here, as you might have noticed, there is a little pen here that you can click on, customize the title if you want to. So top digital, for example, I can choose, well, smartphones. And the tagline, instead of just another WordPress site, I can use. That's it. So the edits are automatically updated. So all you have to do is click on publish here. You can do the same for the footer. For example, you can change this by clicking on here. And here you can change the text shown below, or you can remove it altogether if you want to, if you don't want to show a footer. You can change everything in these settings. So you can go ahead and try them off if you want to. For now, we're going to go to our dashboard. Click here and dashboard. And here we're going to add a new post. So just click on posts. This is the sample post that's created by default when you first create your WordPress website. We're going to add a new post by clicking add new. And this is the post editor. This is where you're going to spend most of your time editing and adding content to your post, etc. So this is the title of our post. For example, I will type in my top 10 smartphones. And here I can add in the content of my post. I'm just going to add in some sample paragraphs here, and you're not restricted to just paragraphs. You can add in images, you can add in videos, you can add in any other block type by clicking on here, or in certain position by clicking on here or here. So add block here, you can add in an image, you can add another paragraph, you can choose the type of block you want to add and just click on it to add it. We're not going to do that for now. We're going to just leave these paragraphs, and then the next step is to choose a featured image. This is the image title of our post. We're going to click on set featured image, and here I'm going to upload a new image for our post. Great, this is the image I want, so I'm going to click on it and click on set featured image. Great, now the featured image is set. I'm going to just click on publish here. Publish again. And now my post is live. I'm going to click on here to check my website. This is the second post we've added, and this is the first post we've added. So here you have all your posts shown here. As we've said, this is the home page. If you don't want to show your posts on the home page, you can choose a different page by clicking on customize. Go to your homepage settings here and click on a static page. So this is a static page, for example, we're going to show on our home page, and this is the post page we're going to choose to be our post page. So when the user, for example, clicks on block here, automatically he'll be redirected to our posts. So I'm going to publish here, and I'm going to add this page on the page editor. So I'm going to go back again, click on my website, visit site. And as you can see now, the home page is actually the static page we've chosen and not the latest post. I'm going to edit some parts of this page as I want, and to do that, you just go back to your dashboard, click on pages, and here you can find a front page. You can add a new page if you want to. I'm going to just edit this already created page. And on the page editor, of course, you can work as you want. For example, you can change these titles, you can add in your titles, you can remove blocks, you can do whatever you want on this page editor. For example, I'm going to change the first image shown here. I'm going to show some smartphones, for example, and to do that, just click on edit image. And here I'm going to upload my own image. Just click on media library, and here I'm going to click on upload file. I'm going to drag and drop my image right here and wait for it to upload, and finally select it. As you can see, the image is shown here. You can change the style if you want to. For example, I'm going to change the style to be shown like this. You can change the alignment. You can change the image. We've already done that. You can add in a link on the image so the image is clickable, and you can change also the image type and some advanced options if you want to add in your own new custom CSS. If you're familiar with CSS, you can do that. And this is the style we've chosen. So I'm going to edit this, for example, working days. I'm going to click in here and type in smartphones to buy now. Same for this title, you can edit it. For example, I'm going to choose a heading 2. For example, if you want a bigger heading, or heading 4 if you want a smaller heading, and so on and so forth. You can make it bold, change the style to Italy, and you can change the alignment to the center if you want to. Once you're happy with the results, just click on update here to update your page. Great, we're going to check back again and click on visit site. And as you can see, the image is live here, and this is our title. You can change this image as well. You can change anything on this page, and to go to your latest page, just click on blog here, and you're back to our post page. This is the post we've added. This is the old post that's added by default, and this is our footer. And this is it. In this tutorial, we have seen how to create your WordPress website, how to customize your theme to your likings, and also how to add in posts and customize your pages as you want. If you want to rewatch the video again, there's a link in the description where you can follow step by step as you go with the tutorial. I hope this has been informative for you, and I thank you so much for watching.